We ready? Reading exercise number 5. Start. I did not know the blacks very well as a family, but I had run up against them in the street time to time. Stop. They lived in a large old house just off the high street. Stop. The house was too large for their requirements and it was difficult to keep warm in winter. Stop. The bedrooms were too big and when the weather was cold, people trying to find comfort in the sitting room might just as well have been in the street outside for all the warmth they received from the coals burning in the little fireplace. Paragraph. But the blacks did not remove into a smaller and newer house. Stop. It did not come into their head to do so. The old house had always been their home. Full stop. Father and mother had lived there from the first day of their married life, and the two children had spent all their days there. Stop. There they were, and there they were likely to be in the years to come. Stop. Modern and new houses were shot in the days that followed the war, and Blake himself found the, the situation of the old place very satisfactory because he ran an office in the high street and he could walk to try from his work in a matter of 5 minutes. Stop. This saved him time, money, and travel, and he thought himself very happy man in this respect. Paragraph. I doubt whether I ever would have gone into that house had I not offered to try to get some money for a good cause in which I was at that time interested. Stop. Para. I went from house to house asking for money. Stop. I may add that I did not like asking other people to give up their hard won money, but on the other hand, I very much desired money from my couch, and so I was able to steel myself to go my round. Stop. Most people gab willingly, a little perhaps, but a large enough number of small amounts can make a large sum, and I was always thankful for anything down to the last penny. Stop. The door of the black's house was opened by a little maid who showed me into the sitting room. It was a cold afternoon, and the mother and the girl were sitting near to the fire reading. Full stop.